This year, Team Sammy of the Wethersfield High School Design Engineering team searched for a new challenge. The team worked with CW Resources, a non-profit organization that employs people with disabilities.
I'm Chris Kaufman. I'm the facility manager at this facility as well as another facility about 6 miles from here in New Britain, Connecticut. We're a private non-profit organization. Ideally, we like to try to find competitive employment and work for our individuals in the community.
CW Resources has many job opportunities for people with disabilities, such as packaging, assembling, and sorting.
One of the many jobs at CW Resources consists of transferring tightly packaged binder clips from a small manufacturing box to a larger retail box. This task is separated into several parts. First, the larger retail box is made by folding it. Next, the smaller box is opened. Afterwards, all the binder clips are transferred from the smaller box to the larger one. Finally, the box is closed and placed in a crate for packaging.
One employee who performs his tasks is Sammy Vega, a person with cerebral palsy, quadriplegia, and asthma. He uses a wheelchair and has limited reach, strength, and control of his arms.
While watching Sammy perform his job and asking him some questions, our team identified the greatest problems in the work process. Because of Sammy's limited control of his arms, many times the binder clips would spill onto the surrounding table as well as the floor. Whenever this happened, Sammy would have to use a long rod with a magnet on the end to attempt to pick up the binder clips. This process is extremely difficult for Sammy because it is difficult for him to see the binder clips when he is using his wheelchair. The locating of the clips and picking them up would take several minutes on its own, and if all the binder clips were not located, the task cannot be complete.
Our team also learned that his fingers are sensitive, often causing him to feel pain when doing his job, due to the edges of the box and the binder clips.
When I open the box with my fingers, right here, when I open my fingers, I have to bend my fingers to open it, and the spot right here.
Understanding our problems and realizing that we were able to help Sammy, we started brainstorming ideas for a prototype. We needed to find a way to open a box of tightly packed binder clips and then successfully and efficiently pour them out into a larger box, in such a way that Sammy's fingers would not feel discomfort. We had ideas ranging from a small razor to slice open the box to a device that could puncture the box itself and pull the clips out. We considered various factors when brainstorming and designing, such as safety precautions, viability, and efficiency. We decided to build prototypes using some of our best ideas, which were tested both with our team and with Sammy. Our prototypes ranged from a V-shaped device that could open the box from the bottom to a guided rail system. After testing different prototypes, Sammy told us that he wanted to hold the box a specific way that was most comfortable to him. We took this into consideration and created several other prototypes, including a double funnel device that did not require Sammy to hold the box at all. After developing onto older prototypes and creating new ones, our team combined all the best elements of each design to create one final design, the BindEx.
The BindEx consists of three major parts: an insertion tool to open the box, a funnel-like device which consists of two clear plastic sheets, and a downward protruding ledge under the clear funnel. The BindEx is used as follows. First, the box is inserted flush against the wall into the center of the device where it is held down by two ledges. The larger box is placed on the bottom ledge, such that the side of the flaps of the box fit around the flaps of the funnel. The insertion tool is then pushed down, such that the hook catches onto the lip of the box. Because of the spring, the insertion tool automatically pulls up and the box is opened with it. The box can be then pulled out, and the binder clips can be dumped down the funnel. The clips do not spread out because of the plastic flaps that prohibit their movement. He's then able to take the box out, close it, and finish the process.
The BindEx solves a major flaw in the binder clip packaging process. Before the BindEx, no matter how efficient Sammy got in his job, there was always the possibility that the binder clips would not fall perfectly into the box. This small error could cause the entire process to be stopped, hurting Sammy's efficiency. With our device, this chance of error is eliminated. For people with sensitive fingers, like Sammy, the device also allows the box to be opened without the binder clips and rough edges ever being touched.
Our team is already looking for areas of improvement for the BindEx. Although with the use of the funnel we have already solved a huge problem with our device, we are not completely satisfied with the efficiency of our device. The insertion tool can be optimized even further than it is now. We plan to make the end of the insertion tool thinner, such that it can enter the opening of the box more easily. We also plan to move the platform of the device closer to Sammy, such that he can use the device without straining his arm.
Our team learned from Sammy that a device can be constantly improved to be more efficient and to be more commodable. The BindEx helps people like Sammy with low arm strength and who use a wheelchair complete a job that is usually limited to employees with high dexterity. Our device can be used not only by Sammy, but by other people with limited arm strength and control. Our team was able to help Sammy and many others who complete this job.
I like it the way it's go down. You press with the boy and go down. That's what I like about it. And open the box. I like it. It's comfortable. It's very comfortable.
With Sammy, we learned that a task can be completed step by step and every job can be improved. Sammy's quality of life is improved with this device, and we are proud to be in our appropriately named team, Team Sammy.